Have you ever been driving your Volkswagen down a perfectly smooth road when the car suddenly starts chiming at you like it's having a panic attack? Out of nowhere, a yellow warning flashes on the dash saying, "Travel assist currently not available." You look down, the warning vanishes, and then, ding, it's back again. It does this over and over, sometimes 50 times in a single commute, until you're ready to pull over and leave the keys in the grass. If your VW has turned into a chime-producing nightmare, watch until the end. We'll cover the ghost in the machine causing it, why cleaning won't help, and the strategy to get it fixed for the lowest cost. The experience usually starts as a random glitch that you try to ignore. You're on a long road trip, maybe using the adaptive cruise control, and the system just gives up. But over a few weeks, it evolves into a rhythmic, aggressive distraction. It isn't just that the driver assist features stop working. It screams at you every single time the system toggles on and off. It makes a relatively new car feel like it's falling apart, and it's a massive safety distraction in its own right. Now, most drivers make a very logical but completely wrong assumption when this starts. You'll see people stopping at gas stations to scrub the VW logo on the front grille or wipe down the camera sensor behind the rearview mirror. It makes sense. If travel assist is unavailable, the car must be blind, right? You might even think your infotainment system needs a hard reset or a software update. Unfortunately, you could wash that car until the paint comes off and it wouldn't fix a thing. The problem isn't outside the car looking out, it's right in your hands, inside the steering wheel itself. This issue is widespread across the modern Volkswagen lineup. We're talking 2021 through 2024 models, Golf GTI and Golf R, Tiguan, Jetta, Taos, the electric ID.4, plus Atlas and Arteon. If your VW uses the newer capacitive touch steering wheel, with smooth haptic buttons instead of physical clicks, you're in the splash zone for this hardware failure. When a technician plugs into your car, they're looking for one smoking gun, Diagnostic trouble code B17B8F2. This translates to a steering wheel touch detection sensor fault, a permanent internal hardware error. There's also code B158F13, which points to the control module that manages those touch signals. If a scan tool pulls these codes, your steering wheel has officially left the chat. There is no software fix or sensor cleaning that can override a hardware failure coded into the module like this. Volkswagen released a Technical Service Bulletin, number 48/2301, explaining exactly what's going wrong. To get the root cause, you need to know how the car knows you're paying attention. In older cars, the system looked for torque, wiggle the wheel, and it knew you were there. In these newer VWs, a capacitive touch sensor mat is embedded under the leather of the steering wheel rim. It works like your smartphone, sensing the tiny electrical charge in your skin when your hand simply rests on it. The problem is a manufacturing defect in those sensor mats. Over time, heat cycles using the wheel heater or simple internal fatigue create tiny deviations or short circuits. The car gets confused. 1 millisecond it senses you, the next it thinks the sensor vanished entirely. That's why the warning pops up and disappears so rapidly. The car isn't broken in its ability to drive. It just can't verify you're holding the wheel, so it shuts the system down to be safe. Because that sensor mat is bonded deep inside the rim, it's not a replaceable part on its own. There's no repair kit for the sensor. The only official fix is a total replacement of the steering wheel assembly. You'll keep your original airbag, but the leather-wrapped hoop and internal touch control modules are replaced as one unit. Owner experiences have been a mix of relief and massive frustration. Those who got the repair love the silence. But there have been significant backlogs because so many wheels are failing at once. Some even had a second wheel fail months later. The good news, VW's revised part uses a more robust sensor mat, and repairs today are more likely to last. So, let's talk about the bill. If you're still under the 4-year or 50,000-mile factory warranty, it's a 100% free repair. Ask for it as soon as the first ding happens. Out of warranty, you need a plan. At an independent shop, expect roughly $850 to $1,050. The part is most of it. At a dealership, the total typically lands between $1,250 and $1,500. Pro tip: since this is in a TSB, if you're just outside warranty, ask your advisor about a Goodwill repair. Mention the TSB number specifically. VW will often split costs on factory defects, sometimes covering the part while you pay labor. Have you been dealing with the travel assist chime? And did a new wheel solve it? Tell us in the comments, and if this breakdown helped, like and subscribe for more deep dives into modern car headaches.